Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. And today is a very special day because I have my dear friend Indigo Blue Violet joining me. And where are we?
We're in Mexico.
That's right. Indigo is my next door neighbor here in Mexico. And we are going to make bubbles.
Slime.
Out of slime, exactly. We're going to make slime bubbles. And all you need for this is our window slime, which you have to watch a previous video that the two of us shot together. So you need some window slime and a tall glass, and that's all you need for bubble slime. So we each have our own window slime, exactly. And the thing about window slime, what makes it window slime is if you pull it, because it is clear glue and shaving cream, it makes this stretchy window-like slime. So see, it almost looks like a window. So we're going to use our window slime. Ooh, nice. We're going to use our window slime to actually have a little bubble race here, right?
Yeah.
So what you do is you take your slime and you kind of squish it into a circle, right, Indigo? And kind of get that window effect sort of happening, but you don't want to make it too thin. And then you're going to place it over the top of your, that's it, over the top of your glass. Now see how it likes to start to fade on down the side here, or drip on down the side? That you want to pull off because you're going to need that to place on top. And as you place it on top, as it goes down, the heavy weight of it pulls down. It's going to make bubble, 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 bubble. It'll make a bubble at the top of your glass. So let's see. Let's pull yours over. You need more weight is what you need, more.
I know.
So let's get you some more weight. So I got a big old bubble.
No, you can't put that in there.
One of the things about Indigo is she is extremely competitive. And so she's a little, I can tell right now she's a little bummed because she's not getting a bubble fast enough. Don't you want some extra weight?
This way though.
Yeah, but it won't mix. See, there you go. She just needed a little extra weight. There you go. Now you're getting your bubble. Getting your bubble. So we actually played a game to see who could make 5 bubbles the fastest. And Indigo won, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this time, this is different slime. We'd made there you go, there's your bubble. We'd made a good batch of slime the other day and had this bubble race, and she beat me 5.
But what you had to do is you had to make the slime that was going down touch the bottom, and the bubble had to pop on its own.
Right, and
that's what made it hard for Sophie.
And the bubble had to pop before you could make your next one.
Yeah.
So hers is almost to the bottom there. And as you can see, my bubble was doing this. It wasn't popping at all. And Indigo, look, yours isn't popping either. If you want to give it a hand, though, you can go like this, right?
No, you couldn't do that.
I know you couldn't do it in the game, but if we want to give them a chance to see how the bubbles pop, we can do it now, right? There we go. Ooh, look, yours is super strong. So that's what we call bubble slime. And so for more fun ideas, go ahead, you can mix the two together. Maybe you'll get pink like a candy cane. For more fun ideas with Indigo and with slime, come check us out, Sophie-World.com.
Yeah.